All right, good evening, Facebook. Hello, late night show. Maria and Sharon. Maria and Sharon.
I love it.
All right, so we are back, and again, let me pull the camera down because we can't see this beautiful cake.
Yes, they can. Yes, they can. Look, bam.
Oh, awesome.
Mwah. So amazing. So absolutely amazing. Did you tag me?
I
didn't see any of my people. I was worried. I was like, "Where's my people?" I normally
have to.
I normally have some. Guys, can you see that?
Now I have a question for you. Can I have you see your cake?
Let me think about it. Absolutely.
Okay. Well,
your cake is my cake, and my cake is your cake. Well, a piece of my cake is your cake.
Before we cut the cake, I want to take a picture of you with the cake. So if you would stand in front of my supplies over there.
Oh, like I baked it or something. Okay.
So, awesome. You like that one?
Yes. Okay, let's do another one. I'm looking way too weird.
Let's stand behind.
I'm looking way too weird.
Uh-oh. We're gonna get her a nice picture in behind the Christmas in front of the Christmas decorations. Now this one is nice. Like that one?
No lipstick, but yes.
Okay.
No lipstick, guys, but I mean, it is what it is. Whatever.
And we'll post that on Facebook as well. All right, so let me get signed back in. We're not going to be on very long. We're just coming back to taste this wonderful cake. And I don't know what I can ever find myself when I come back on.
You just passed it, did you not?
I think that was the first one.
Oh, was it? So keep going. Keep going. Yeah, keep.
No,
because it should be right up front.
I don't know. But anyway, we're not going to hold you up. We're not going to prolong the time. And I'll give Maria the honors to cut her cake. And I'll scoop us some ice cream.
Scoop the ice cream. You're the ice cream scooper. You are the official ice cream scooper.
Thank you, thank you. And one thing my mother taught me.
What did your mother teach you?
Put your
yes.
ice cream scooper in water. It's easier to grab the ice cream with it and to release it.
This cake looks so good. It looks good enough to eat.
Yay!
Okay, Sharon. So let me see what size slice do you get?
I'm just saying. At least that thick.
Oh. Let's make it a little.
So do you want one scoop or two scoops?
Let's start with one.
One?
Let's start with one.
Okay, I'll put that there. You want a top or on the side?
Whatever you do is what I'll receive.
Put it right there.
And then that one's ready.
Okay.
I would cut you guys a slice, but not. That's terrible, isn't it?
If only we could, really.
No, I would share. I'm a sharer.
She would share.
Yeah.
I believe she would share.
Yeah, because, if I eat all of this, you'll see it everywhere. And you ever saw those commercials where they eat a donut and then they wear the donut around here? Okay, so like I'm wearing a few donuts already. So I don't think I need to do that. I think I need to share with you.
All right, so spoon, a fork, spoon. Cheers.
Wait. Gracious Lord, we truly thank you for this cake. I can't even pray that we're about to receive that Maria mixed together. Sharon's supervision.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, let's see.
God has a sense of humor.
Yes, that's where we get it from.
Yes.
Warm cake.
Warm cake.
Oh, it's so moist.
Cold ice cream.
Jesus, I love you. Yes, I do.
This is so yummy.
Okay.
This is good.
I don't have time to talk to them. I'm sorry. Pardon me.
Well, see y'all later.
I love you.
All right.
Thanks, Sharon, for having me on your show.
Again, thank you, Maria. It was so much fun.
Mm-hmm.
And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
We'll be back tomorrow.
All right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thanks again for joining us. Have a good night. We're going to eat the rest of our cake and enjoy. Bye-bye.
Bye. Sharon will be back. I won't be back.
oh, yes.
What?
I almost forgot.
Mm.
I'm sorry, I almost forgot. Sunday, we will be back. Our regular scheduled 8 o'clock p.m. show.
Oh.
Sunday, 8 o'clock again. And this Sunday, we will be baking buttermilk biscuits.
Wow.
We're going to make some caramel. And we're going to have a holiday drink. And also chocolate-covered bacon. Sounds good, right?
Chocolate is my favorite.
Chocolate-covered bacon.
Bacon is one of my favorites, but
Yes.
I don't know about chocolate covered. I'm
going to be honest with you. I have never tried it, but they say it's good, so I'm going to give it a try.
And I'm going to watch
On Baking with Sharon.
I'm going to watch
And my special guests, Nicole and Anthony Andrews, they will be with me on Sunday.
Nice.
And we're going to have a good time, just as we had a wonderful time tonight with Miss Maria Townsend. Again, thanks for joining. And y'all have a good night.
I would talk, but I'm eating. Love you. I got one cake.